Hello, welcome to Martinmade, and today my frying pan is heating up and we are going to be making fried green tomatoes. One of my favorite recipes every single summer since I was quite young has always been fried green tomatoes, and every year my parents would put tomatoes in and we would start getting some green ones popping up, and when they get to a certain size we would start picking them and frying them. And so that is one of my favorite recipes to have all throughout my childhood, but as even into my adulthood, my husband and I plant tomatoes pretty much every year because I can a lot of things with our tomatoes, but I also make fried green tomatoes with the tomatoes throughout the summer as well. So sit back, watch the video, and let me know what you think at the end. Would this be something you would try? I suggest giving it a little bit of a try if you can get a hold of some green tomatoes, and let's get started in the kitchen.
So starting off, you are going to take your tomato or tomatoes and you're going to thinly slice them. The thicker they are, the longer they take, and the chances you run into not having them cooked thoroughly. So for the breading, you need a 1/4 cup of cornmeal, 1/2 cup of flour, and you're going to mix that together really well. Now you're going to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder and pepper. You're also going to add 1/2 of a teaspoon to 3/4 of salt. You can always add more after it's been fried. Then you're going to take 2 eggs and you're going to beat them together really well. Now when that's done, then the fun can begin. You're going to take each slice and dip it into the egg and then into the cornmeal mix, and then back into the egg, and then back into the cornmeal mix. Now I find it much easier to just use your fingers. As messy as it is, it actually goes a lot faster than trying to use a fork or anything. Then you're going to heat your pan up. I use cast iron, but you can use a non-stick as well. Add some oil, and when the oil starts to separate on the pan, about like this, that is when you're going to start to fry your tomatoes. Now you want that on high to get the pan hot, but then once you start putting the tomatoes on, you want it down to a medium heat, and you're going to fry it on one side, and then when that side looks nice and toasty brown, you're going to flip them over. And you can always check them to see if they're done by just sticking a fork in them, and if the fork goes right through very easily, then you know they're done. And there you have it, fried green tomatoes, nice and crispy on the outside and soft on the inside.
So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And for those of you who are new to this channel, you can hit that red subscribe button down below. I hope you will give this a try. If you have a different way to make your fried green tomatoes, maybe you don't add something that I added, or you change up the recipe a little bit from what I have, please let me know how your recipe is, because I would love to give that a try. I love fried green tomatoes, and I'm making them all summer long. So I would definitely try it out and let you know what I think. And so I will see you guys next time, and I hope you are having a wonderful summer. There's not much left of it. There's just about another week left till school starts, and that's kind of when I think summer is kind of ending. I guess that's the teacher in me. But I hope you're having a wonderful summer. Enjoy what's left of your summer, and I will see you next time. Bye.